Hampton streets to Burlington lanes, Oakville's homes and everything that remains. For 45 years we've been keeping it clean. Furnace, ducts and vents, we're the cleaning team. Started by family, still run that way. A trusted name you can call today. Your air is our care and we're on the run. With Vacu-Man the job's never undone. Vacu-Man, we're the air cleaning crew. Furnace, ducts, dryer, vents too. Family run, trusted, we're number one. Breathing fresh, the work is done. In Hamilton and beyond we stand. Your home is safe with Vacu-Man. When the dust piles up and the air feels tight, Vacu-Man's here to make it right. We're the name you trust when it's time to clean. A family tradition, we're on the scene. Serving homes and keeping them clear. From every furnace to vent we appear. With each sweep, we make it all fresh. A cleaner space, a cleaner breath. Vacu-Man, we're the air cleaning crew. Furnace, ducts, dryer, vents too. Family run, trusted, we're number one.